Special Yangdup prayer is a powerful wealth ritual with deep roots in Tibetan Buddhism. This extensive devotional prayer to Gyenze, the increased emanation of Dorje Shugden, attracts the energies of abundance and prosperity for an excellent start to the rest of the year. Yangdup is also conducted to re-energize Kechara Wealth Box annually, which brings boundless benefits to all who set foot in Kechara Forest Retreat. We welcome you to Kechara Forest Retreat to see the world's largest Dorje Shugden statue, to experience the abundance of wealth, blessings, and spirituality.